Today also we are going to start a DP Kids program. We know now there are a lot of viewers are there for DP Kids drawing program, especially kids and not only kids, actually parents, teachers. So you all are watching this program because mainly you can improve your drawing skills, as well as teachers, you can guide your students. Also, you can remember the things, right? Yeah, that's right. Once you draw the things, you can improve your memory capacity a lot, right? Of course, then, yeah, that's right. So the things will come to your mind at once. So because the images we can remember very easily, right? Okay. So today we are going to draw a very simple thing like a helicopter. Okay. So helicopter is not a simple thing, but we are going to draw it in a very simple way. Okay. So shall we start then? Right. Okay. Keep the paper like this, and then so we are not going to take much time. Okay. Right. So helicopter has this type of a shape like so. First we'll draw that oval shape like this. Okay. And after that, like this. And then the tail of the the tail of the helicopter. And then we can do another small circle here. So it has a fan, right? So we can draw the fan like this. Okay. So it's very easy to draw the helicopter for this side, right? Okay. And then see here, front glass. And then in a simple manner you can draw a shape like this. Okay. And after that, a shape like this and a circle. Then we can draw large fan. So it's very simple. Yes, now see. And then, okay, we can draw this part like this. Okay, good. Okay, now see. We have drawn it very fast, right? Okay, so shall we color? Okay, so now we are going to use some colors to color this. Okay, and I use this color, but you can use any color as you wish. See, now we have a very beautiful helicopter, and shall we show? So you also can use nice colors, nice shapes to draw this type of complicated things. So that is what we are doing in DP Kids program. So today also then we are going to leave from this program and hoping to bring you another new creative programs in the future. So then you also can join our future programs, and please use our previous programs also. Okay, till then, bye.